Hello friends, welcome back to Selly Point Smile. Today, we're going to explore the complete journey of Malta, also known as sweet orange, from a tiny seed to a healthy plant, and finally to sweet, juicy fruit. So let's begin this beautiful and natural process seedling. Stage 1, selecting and preparing the seed. First of all, we choose healthy and fully mature Malta fruits. From these fruits, we carefully take out the seeds, wash them properly, and then dry them in the shade. Remember, good quality seeds always lead to strong and healthy plant growth. Stage 2, germination process. Once the seeds are ready, we plant them in loose, fertile soil with good drainage. The seeds are placed about 1 to 2 centimeters deep and watered gently. After some time, usually within 2 to 4 weeks, the seed absorbs moisture, breaks open, and a small green sprout starts appearing above the soil. This is the first sign of life herb. Stage 3, seedling to young plant. As days pass, the small sprout slowly develops roots and fresh green leaves. At this stage, the young Malta plant needs regular watering, enough sunlight, and protection from pests. With proper care, after 2 to 3 months, the plant becomes strong enough to be shifted into a bigger pot or directly into the field. Stage 4, plant growth and care. Now the Malta plant begins to grow into a small tree. This stage requires patience and proper care. Organic fertilizer, timely irrigation, and light pruning help the plant grow healthy and strong. This growth phase can take about 2 to 3 years, but the wait is worth it. Stage 5, flowering stage. When the plant becomes mature, beautiful white and fragrant flowers start to appear. These flowers attract bees, which help in pollination. Healthy flowers are very important because they decide how good the fruit production will be. Stage 6, fruit formation. After successful pollination, small green fruits begin to form. Slowly, with time and care, the fruits grow bigger and change their color. Finally, the Malta fruits become sweet, juicy, and ready to harvest tangerine. Final words. So friends, this was the complete journey of Malta or sweet orange, from a simple seed to a fruit-bearing plant. Nature truly teaches us patience, care, and hard work. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Selly Point for more farming and plant growth content. Thanks for watching. Herb Tangerine.